All right, you have Akhilesh Yadav, who hits out at the RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat on his Harmony message, says, 5 people died in Sambhal riots. First, you quash those false cases that you've slapped on many of those people there, and then let's talk. Demands the false cases be dropped first. He speaks about the Sambhal riots that killed 5 people. Let's listen in what he said.
जब 5 लोग मर गए, न जाने कितनों पे झूठे मुकदमे लग गए, न जाने कितनों को अपमानित होना पड़ा है, घरों में पुलिस गई है, महिलाओं के साथ अपमान का व्यवहार हुआ, तब कह रहे हैं कि हर मंदिर को नहीं खोदना चाहिए। तो अगर किसी व्यक्ति ने, इतने महत्वपूर्ण व्यक्ति ने अगर ये स्टेटमेंट दिया है, तो उनकी जिम्मेदारी बनती है उनके दल के लोगों की कि सभी संभल वाले उत्तर प्रदेश के लोगों पर जिन पे झूठे मुकदमे लगे हैं, उनके मुकदमे वापस हों। हालांकि जान वापस नहीं कर सकते, कोई धरती पर ऐसा नहीं जो जान वापस कर दे, लेकिन कम से कम उन परिवारों की सरकारी मदद करे जिस तरीके से मुआवजा वो और दूसरे लोगों को देते हैं।
All right, let me quickly cut across to Aishwarya Paliwal joining us for more on that. Aishwarya, we saw Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav in the parliament itself saying this is too late. First, you drop false cases against people in Sambhal. 5 people died in those riots, and all that happened because there were demands being made for a mandir to be found under that masjid. Give us more on the opposition's reactions to what Mohan Bhagwat said.
Well, Nabila, you'll be surprised to know that most of the leaders from the Samajwadi Party are first and foremost saying that for the first time, they are agreeing with what Mohan Bhagwat is saying. And this is being said by none other than their leader, Akhilesh Yadav also. The other leaders are also now saying that if you go on this path, then you will end up digging the entire country. And what you really need to be speaking about is the development of the nation. Why do you want to drag our nation centuries back? So a big question being asked by the opposition parties, and they are also saying that this politics, this communal politics has to stop. You need to make sure that India, and this is what you say, the opposition parties pointing fingers at BJP and saying that you are the one who talk about in India becoming a developed nation by 2047, by these things, by digging up temples and by making sure that, you look for a temple under every mosque, you will not become a developed nation. So questions are being asked of the opposition parties, and opposition parties also saying that BJP now needs to stop this, and they are now pointing fingers at the statement coming in from none other than Mohan Bhagwat. The opposition party is saying that now even Mohan Bhagwat is saying the same. The BJP now needs to stop indulging in communal politics. Nabila.
Right, thanks very much. But you have some big message coming in from Yogi Adityanath adding to this. Let me take you through what he said. Amid Mohan Bhagwat's message, Yogi Adityanath's big remark. He says, Mandir demolished in Kashi, Ayodhya, Sambhal. Respect Sanatan. Save human civilization. Yogi Adityanath's message there, adding to what was said. In fact, after Mohan Bhagwat spoke of peace and asked not to rake up issues of Mandir Masjid, post Ram Mandir's construction, Mohan Bhagwat said a lot of demands have now surfaced asking for mandirs to be constructed, for masjid to be brought down. Now he says this is not to be entertained. India lives as per the rules of the constitution. Mohan Bhagwat said it's time to show the world that we can live in peace and harmony. To which Yogi Adityanath has responded saying, Mandir was demolished in Kashi, Ayodhya and Sambhal. Respect Sanatan, save human civilization. Let's hear it.
और याद करिए, दुनिया के अंदर अकेले सनातन धर्म है जिसने दुनिया की हर जाति, हर मत, हर मजहब, हर संप्रदाय के लोगों को उसकी विपत्ति के समय शरण दे करके संरक्षण दिया है, उसे फलने फूलने का एक अवसर दिया है। लेकिन क्या दुनिया के अंदर ऐसे ही हिंदुओं के साथ भी हो रहा है क्या? ऐसे ही हो रहा है क्या? आज बांग्लादेश में क्या हो रहा है? पाकिस्तान में क्या हुआ था? इससे पहले अफगानिस्तान में क्या हुआ था?